I go ahead and show you how to hook one of these on. And these we'll have to hook on with jump rings because they're off of a old bracelet I had. And I don't think I can roll them onto here. It'd be cool if I could, but I really don't think I could get them onto there without unrolling them. Alright. We're going to open this up. Like that. Okay, there. We're not going to go exactly in the center. Okay, and we'll do that. I'm getting a little bit better at putting them on. I guess it's a skill set, but I don't know. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these on, then we'll come back and we'll figure out where we want the beads, and then we'll put them on. And we're back. And I'm going to, I think these will be pretty with it. Sort of beachy colors. So we are going to start putting our beads on. I'm just going to put a few on, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like finished. Because it's just going to be repetitive. You just open up your jump ring, and then you find a spot on the same side. As your charms, and you just scoot it back. I'm getting to where I can handle those jump rings a little better. They're tiny, and they're steel, so they don't give too easy. I got steel because I didn't want you to be able to pull the charms off. You know, like catch it on something, or I wanted them to stay put. So just open it up. Find another spot on the same side as your charms. And then squeeze it back and get it closed. And we'll keep on going like that. I don't know that I'm going to use all of these, but what we don't use, we'll have left over to make another one. I don't know that I'll use all these, but what we don't use, we'll have left to do another bracelet. Alright, I'll be back whenever I get them strung on. I'll show you the finished bracelet. Well, we're back. I've got all the beads on there now, and it turned out really pretty. I like the beach theme ones. But, you know, really, I really thank you for watching, and thank you for sticking out to the end. And until next time, really turned out good. I got all the beads on there and turned out pretty good. I like the beach theme ones. Y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. Liking and subscribing. It helps me out. And until next time, y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.